Assalamu alaikum guys, my name is Siab Khan and you're watching my YouTube channel Siab in Korea. In today's video I will talk about TU/E University or Eindhoven University Netherlands scholarships for PhD degree candidates. This is one of the highest paid universities in the world. The monthly stipend is starting from 3,059 euros to 3,881 euros per month as a PhD degree candidate. For TUE University Netherlands, you don't need any application fees while applying for this university. Before I start the video and tell you guys each and everything, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the latest updates. Also give a big like to this video because I'm making a lot of efforts for you guys to make this kind of videos. So let's start. You guys can see here on my screen that this is the official website of TU/E University Netherlands. You guys can see the university name. This university is called Eindhoven University of Netherlands. You guys can see on my screen that 11 fully funded PhD positions are currently open in the Mechanic of Material TU/E. This is the Department of Mechanical Engineering, but these positions are not just for mechanical engineers, but for these positions, all students whose background are matching with any of the given fields, as you guys can see on my screen, can apply. If you have your background like your MSc degree in mechanical engineering, material sciences, aerospace engineering, applied physics, are similar with a strong background in mechanics of materials, then they can apply for these positions. So I would say this is the golden opportunities for those guys who want to study in Netherlands for free with the highest paid salary. First, I will explain a little bit about the eligibility criteria and what are the requirements. After that, I will tell you guys about all the projects. There are 11 different projects, so if your field is little bit matching with any of the projects, then you can select any of one project, two project, or even you can apply to all the 11 projects at the same time as well. The main thing is you don't need any application fees while applying for these positions. Currently, TUE University is looking for 11 candidates in the mechanics of materials, and there are 4 major projects as you guys can see on my screen. The first project is green steel. The second project is physics-based design of hydrogen-resistant steels. The third project is thermal interface of cryogenic conditions. The fourth and last project is wafer handling. These are all the 4 major projects, and there are 11 small projects within these 4 major projects. You guys need to read more about it. I am not gonna read each and everything. As you guys can see on my screen, computational mechanics PhD projects. These are all 7 projects which are related to computational mechanics PhD. So if your field is, if your master's is related to computational material sciences or any computational sciences, you can apply for these positions. The remaining 4 projects will be handled by the experimental guys. So there are total 4 positions for the experimental guys and 7 positions for the computational materials guys. Looking into the requirements of the job, we can see the requirements that they need an MSc degree in any of the given fields like mechanical engineering, material sciences, aerospace engineering, applied physics, or any similar field like material sciences or any other. If your field is related to any of the given fields or any of the given projects, irrespective of your background, you can apply for these positions. It is mentioned here as well that for some positions they require extra additional experience in material sciences, metallurgy, experimental mechanics, and mechanical testing. It means that positions are more competitive and you need more experience to apply for that positions. Last but not the least requirement is C1 language English proficiency. You need English proficiency, at least a C1 language, to apply for this scholarship. The condition for the employment is given here. You guys can see, I'm not gonna read each and everything, but I will tell you guys that the monthly stipend is written here, which is ranging from 3,059 euro to 3,881 euros per month. And there will be a year-end bonus which is ranging from 8.3 to 8%, and they will pay you extra each year as well. So they will pay you your monthly stipend as well as they will pay you extra 8% per year of your total salary. So a kind of very huge benefits for those who can win the scholarship. The application, what do you need for application? You need a cover letter, you need a curriculum vitae, you need to know about your end dates of your BS and MSc degree. You need the list of the publication to upload. You need a brief description of your MSc thesis project. You need your bachelor's degree and master's degree transcripts as well. And also, while applying for the positions, you should clearly clarify that why you want to apply for these positions. So basically, you need to explain the reason, like your motivation, why you want to apply for these positions. Furthermore, they have explained a little bit more about the positions as well. You guys can read. To apply for this scholarship, simply we need to click on apply now. When we click on apply now, a new page will be open for us. This page is for apply. We have to accept all the cookies. After this, can you tell us where you first saw this? We can see. So you guys need to click on others, and after that you guys need to write my name like Siab in Korea YouTube. After that, I'm currently an apply of Eindhoven University. If you're employee, you can say yes. If you're not employee, you will have to say no. As I am not an employee, so I will say no. I'm currently student of Eindhoven University. I'm not a student, so I will say no. I declare that I have filled in everything truthfully. It means that you will have to fill everything correct. If something was wrong in your application and they found it later, even they provided you the job, they will remove you from the position. Can you confirm that all required application documents are included in your application? Please note that incomplete application will not be considered. So it means that you should include all your documents which were mentioned in the previous page. Can you confirm that requested application documents, cover letter, CV with T references, official BSc and MSc grade list A are included in your application? So you need 3 recommendation letters, and you need to provide the recommenders information. University will contact them and they will directly ask the recommenders on your behalf to provide recommendation for you. So you have to mention your professors as well that please provide a recommendation letter for me, as I have applied in TUE University, Netherlands. The next question is, did you follow education in Europe or the US? If you ever studied in Europe or US, you have to say yes, otherwise no. The next question is, do you have research experience in US or Europe? I don't have, so I will say no. Is your profile and research background based studied for a PhD position focused in numerical research or experimental research? So you guys need to just select one. If you studied just numerical, you have to choose numerical. If you studied in your MSc degree just experimental, then you will have to choose experimental. If you studied both, you will have to choose both experimental and numerical. After that, in the next section, you guys need to choose any projects. Like you guys can choose just one project, or you guys can choose even all the 11 projects. But if these projects are not matching with you, don't choose just random projects. Just select the projects which are really matching with your interest. After selecting our projects, we will have to scroll down. Here we need to enter our email address, then we need to repeat our email address, then we need to enter our name, surname, our date of birth, our gender, our address, and then postal code, city and country. After entering our personal information, we need to enter our mobile phone number along with the country code, and after that we need to upload our all documents. Here we need to upload our CV in the first section. In the next section we need to upload our cover letter, and in the last section we have to attach all our other documents like our bachelor's degree transcript, the obtained date, and all other information, the referees details, their email addresses, their names, their institution name. All the details should be provided in the last one. Keep in mind that don't upload your other documents with CV or cover letter, but you need to upload it in the last section. After that you will have to agree to the terms and condition, and after that simply you need to click on submit application, and your application will be successfully submitted. Thank you guys for watching my video until last. I'll be making such kind of videos for you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can receive the latest updates. Thank you.